content is produced by Accessible Learning Hub. For more helpful tutorial, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's go learning.
Hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub, inclusive learning for all. This is the voice of Afolabi Wonder. We are still on Windows Movie Maker for people with visual impairments using screen reader like NVDA or job access with speech. So, as a visually impaired user or a sighted user, you need to first have the knowledge about the video you want to edit. So let me play my video. Let me play my video first. Check. Windows folder view. Hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub. Today we'll be looking at keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that is used to transfer data into the computer system. In standard computer keyboard, we have at least 102 keys, and the combination of two or more keys or one or two keys is called a keystroke. So now I need to delete the unwanted part from this particular video. So I'm going to use marking frame rate by making use of my letter M. So let me play my video now. Check. Windows folder view. So let me press my letter M. Sample video 38.mp right arrow. Left arrow. Sample V left arrow. Right arrow. Sample video left arrow. Sample video 38. So I've separated that particular part. So let me play it so that we'll be sure. So I've moved to that particular part. I divided the first part because I've divided my video into two parts. So let me play it so that we'll be sure what I want to delete. Check. Windows folder view. Sample V. So left arrow. Sample V. This is what I want to delete. So I'm sure of that. Let me press my delete key. Delete sample video 38. So let me play my video again. Hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub. Today we'll be looking at keyboard. You see that this one start out. Today we will be looking at keyboard. So that's where I stop. Look, so let me play my video from the beginning. Hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub. Today we'll be looking at keyboard. So hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub. Today we'll be looking at keyboard. So I press my space bar. So let me press my letter M to divide my video. Sample video. So let me play my video. So let me mark my video. Sample video. So let me press my left arrow key. Left arrow. Sample video. So let me play the unwanted part I've separated before I delete it. So that's it. So let me press my delete key. Delete sample video. So let me play my video. Keyboard is an input device that is used to transfer data into the computer system. So I believe this stop part or a keyboard is an input device that is used to transfer data into the computer system. So I'm going to stop at system so that I will be able to divide my device video. That is used to transfer data into the computer system. So I press my space bar. Let me divide my video. Sample video. So let me play my video again. So let me divide my video here. Sample media. Let me press my left arrow key. Arrow. Sample. Let me see what I want to delete. That's it. So let me press my delete key. Delete sample video. Right arrow. So let me play my video again. So I did not delete it. Let me press my letter M. Sample video. Let me see what I want to delete. Let me play it. So let me press my delete key. Delete sample. In standard computer keyboard, we have at least 102 keys, and the combination of 2 or more keys or 1 or 2 keys is called a keystroke. So let me pause it. Note, this is where the video is supposed to stop, because after this, the other part forward is not what I supposed to leave in this video. So I need to separate my video here. Sample video. So let me play it for you to know. Before I will delete it, because that's the last part. So let me play it. You can see that I did not need it. So let me delete it. Delete sample. So note, I've separated my video. Let me see it. 1, right arrow, sample 2, right arrow, sample right arrow. I have 3 parts now that I've separated. Note, I separated my video before deleting the unwanted part of my video. So let me play sample my video. Hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub. Today we'll be looking at keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that is used to transfer data into the computer system. In standard computer keyboard, we have at least 102 keys, and the combination of 2 or more keys or 1 or 2 keys is called a keystroke. Wow, that's good. So let me show you how you can add a video, because for instance, if you want to post the video on YouTube or TikTok or Facebook, you need to, as a visually impaired that is posting or a tutorial, you need to have a intro. So let me show you how you can add sample intro. So let me press my Alt HP. Driven property page. Add videos and photos dialog, file name, combo box collapse. Let me press my tab key until I get trivia. Tab, files of type, tab, open split tab, cancel but tab, abandoned tab, address tab, search box tab, command mod tab, preview, desktop collapse, level. Desktop collapse, I will expand with my space bar and tab key. Tab. Items new list, sample file item. So sample file, that's where my video is. Number enter, items new list, best video. So this is the video I want to add, best video. Number enter. So it's my enter key. Let me share. Tab, file name, combo box collapse, edit alt plus shift plus tab, items new list, best video.mp4 not select, number enter. Down arrow. Right arrow, sample left arrow, best meet number enter. My movie maker window, timeline list, best video.mp4 13 left arrow, sample video, right arrow, best. So it's not at the right position. So left arrow, left arrow. Let me move the first CTRL plus X. Right arrow, best video.mp4 13 CTRL plus B, sample V left arrow. Best. So let me play my video now from the beginning. Left arrow, number enter. Hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub. Today we'll be looking at keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that is used to transfer data into the computer system. In standard computer keyboard, we have at least 102 keys, and the combination of 2 or more keys or 1 or 2 keys is called a keystroke. Wow. So now I'm going to show you how you can save your video. So let me press my Alt H.
Ribbon property page. File tab. Pane. Done by movie maker window. Ribbon tab. Cut button. Cut tab. Copy but tab. Add group tab. Add music tab. Web convert tab. Record erase tab. Snapshot button. Take a snapshot tab. Title but tab. Caption tab. Credits per tab. Auto movie tab. Editing group tab. Rotate right tab. Remove button. Room tab. Select all button. Select all the items on the same tab. Share grouping. More sharing options. Grouping. View a list of tabs. Save movie grouping. Save your movie on your computer with the recommend number. Enter. Save movie list. Recommended setting grouping.
You can see there are a lot of options here, but there is, if you want to post the video on Facebook, you can choose Facebook option, but I'm going to choose YouTube.
Down arrow, recent settings grouping. YouTube, check display size, 1920 x 1080 pixels, aspect ratio, widescreen bitrate, 5.19 Mbps.
So let me press my enter key.
Number enter. Save movie dialog. File name, combo box collapse.
So a dialog box has displayed on my computer system. So
backspace, blank.
Let me delete. Then let me type the name I want. Let me let it to be
SAMPLE sample space
24. No, sample 24.
2, 4.
So let me press my
tab.
tab.
Save as type. Combo box MPEG4/H.264 video file. Star.mp4. Collapse
So
alt plus tab. Toolbar. Hide tab. Save button alt plus S.
Let me save it by pressing my enter key. Space bar.
Number enter. Cancel button.
So my video is loading. So I'm saving it. Let me check the progress.
NVDA plus B. Movie Maker window. Cancel button. Progress context saving movie. Progress details step 1 of 1. 24% complete.
Loading. So before the video will finish saving, so I will love to say that in our next video we are going to discuss how to increase your video volume, your music volume, how to add background sound, on how to, for instance, there is what we call fade in, fade out. So how to do all those stuff. In our next tutorial, I'm going to show you that, because this is not the end of Windows Movie Maker. So I believe my video has finished saving. So let me play it so I will be able to. I will play with my media player.
Number enter. Media player.
So listen to my video.
Media player window.
Hey guys, welcome back to Accessible Learning Hub. Today we'll be looking at keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that is used to transfer data into the computer system. Standard computer keyboard, we have at least 102 keys, and the combination of 2 or more keys or 1 or 2 keys is called a keystroke. So you can see that now we are done with that. So watch out for the next tutorial using Windows Movie Maker with screen reader.